Shwmai, shwmai. Dyn ni'n dathlu diwrnod shwmai shwmai gyda'r Eilirch eleni, a dwi'n gyffroes iawn.
Fi yw Toby.
Rydyn ni yma fel rhan o ymgyrch shwmai shwmai.
So we'd like to have play a little game with you now.
Yeah, quiz.
So we have a few Welsh words written down here, and we'd like to see how good you are translating them into English. Okay?
Okay. Guess.
Maybe you can guess first, and
How
then.
difficult that
Okay. So Eilirch.
you look. That's yeah, I said it earlier. I'll say learn.
Learn?
Learn?
No, it's It's actually Swansea. The club, Swansea City.
Oh, okay, so you know
The
Swansea
Swans.
being Abertawe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because of the Swans, and Eilirch is swan in Welsh.
Okay, interesting. Won't forget that.
Tradar.
Tradar.
Yes.
Maybe you
Is
use
that
it.
related to football?
No, but a lot of footballers use it in the night.
You can see it behind you. It's like a bird.
Okay, I know. Say it again.
Tradar.
Is that T, so go to the Twitter.
Yeah.
Don't give me too many clues, that
What
was easy.
about heel joint?
Bill Joy. Come on, give me a clue.
You are very good at it.
Football, I guess.
Yeah.
I'm good at other things, but it's obvious.
Cefnogwyr.
It's a long word.
It's a-
Is that
it's
a
a-
long
um,
word?
We have very passionate. They are very passionate.
Say it again.
Cefnogwyr.
Football fans.
Yeah.
Diolch.
Thank you.
Yes.
Sgiliau.
That's very similar to the English word, isn't it?
Yeah.
Skills.
Yeah.
It's a corner kick now.
Pasio.
Pass.
Yeah. And then the big one, Shwmai.
Should I imagine, is it how are you or hello?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's how are you?
Hello, how are you?
Um,
Right, no?
Would you like to learn more Welsh?
Yes, I like learning languages. I speak nearly 4 now because I speak first Catalan and Spanish, then English and Italian. I'm nearly fluent really. So, and I wanted to learn French, but we gotta start doing Welsh instead. It could help me. It could help me for the future. You never know. I live in Wales, so yeah, definitely.
Do you think you could teach us some of your what language you
Catalan.
Yeah.
It's actually, there's some words that are very similar to yours. Pont, bridge, we say pont as well. How do you say window?
finest.
We say finestra. So it's obviously must come from the Latin, you know?
Is Catalan quite the minority language as well?
Yeah, it's only in Catalonia.
And are they trying to push the use of the Catalan language in Catalonia or in Spain?
Catalan people, yeah, we're still teaching Catalan everywhere in Catalonia. Unfortunately, the Spanish government doesn't want it. But you can't take this away. I think it's history, it's a tradition, and I think same as here, it's very important that people in this country keep speaking the language. And the Spanish is not the first language for people because English is the predominant one all over the United Kingdom. But I think when you grow up with 2 languages, your brain is used to be bilingual. That means in the future you can learn more languages much easier than if you only grow with one. You understand? Diolch yn fawr.
No, my view, Angel Rangel, Rwy'n chwarae i'r Eilirch.
I can say the first line, the second line. Can you repeat that?
Rwy'n
Roy?
chwarae
Chwarae?
i'r
I'r?
Eilirch.
Alright. Shwmai, fi yw Angel Rangel, Roen, chwarae i'r Eilirch.
Okay.
Ready?
Mae Cymraeg yn bwysig.
John Lewis Clark.
Shwmai? Shwmai, shwmai. Am bachan ffein yw Angel Rangel. Cofiwch bywyd o dde. Defnyddiwch yr iaith Gymraeg pob amser.